Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use multi-run so you could run two instances of Garry's mod at the same time. Do note whenever you do this, this will not work for online servers. This will only work for LAN servers, and this is also assuming that you have a local server setup that is executed and started from a Windows batch file. So to begin, what you want to do is go into your batch file that you use to launch your server, and you want to make sure that you have the startup parameter sv_lan1. So you will need to have this. No other players will be able to join your server unless they are on the same local network. So make sure you have this. You're going to save the file, and then whenever you launch your server, it should be set up for LAN. The next thing you want to do is navigate to wherever your Garry's mod is installed. As you can see, this is the path for me. I have installed program files, Steam, Steam Maps, Common, Garry's mod, and you'll want to look for hl2.exe. Next thing you want to do is right click it, and then when you right click it, you want to go down to send to, then you're going to move over to desktop, and you're going to create a shortcut. And once you've created that shortcut, you're going to go to your desktop, find wherever it was, and then you're going to want to right click it again, and then you're going to want to go to properties. And then I actually have an example here of one that I already did, so I'm going to open this one up as well in the properties, and you can see this is our new one here, and then this is our multi-run. So you can see we have this target right here. If you scroll all the way to the right, you can add some startup parameters here. So I'm going to do minus multi-run. So this will allow us to have the multi-run version of Gmod running. And then another thing that is kind of helpful is the windowed. So you would do minus windowed, and then following that, you want to do minus W for the width in terms of pixels. And if you're on like 1920 by 1080, it's kind of convenient to have it a bit smaller. So you could do 1600. And then after the width, you want to do minus H for the height, and then do 900. And then after you do that, you're going to hit apply and then OK. And then if we go back to the desktop again now, and we click this new shortcut that we've made, we can actually go ahead and rename this to multi-run. If I could type multi-run Gmod. Run it, and then you can see now we have this windowed version of Gmod that is now running, and then all we need to do is go ahead and connect to a server through the console, and that would be our local server, because again, this will not work online, so this will only work on LAN servers, and then you can go ahead and test any add-ons that you're developing or just play by yourself if that's what you're into. Anyways, that will conclude this video. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe now, because I'm going to be releasing a bunch of more videos. Hope you guys have a great evening, and take care.